Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. A couple of special guests in the studio joining us today. Leslie Lackland is the executive director of Mosaic of Southeast Kansas, and this young lady right here happens to be a world-class athlete. Her name is Crystal Bridges. And folks, we all come together today with the goal of making sure that Crystal gets to take her first trip to Orlando, Florida. And Crystal, I'm going to let you explain the significance of what's going to transpire in Orlando later this year.
I'm doing the 100 meter, the 4x1 relay, and I'm doing the shot put. And I'm also going to Disney World. I'm really excited about it.
If you're a world-class athlete and you're taking part in this Special Olympics going on in Orlando, you better go to Disney World. I'd be disappointed if I didn't hear that. For those of you that may not be familiar with Crystal's background, she's been doing this for 15 years, competing at a world-class event for 15 years. And I went through the other sports that I saw you took part in bowling and baseball.
Yes.
But you've kind of focused in on track. What exactly draws you out to the track to participate in those numerous events that you talked about?
I used to do it in high school a lot, but I quit it for a while because I felt like nobody believed in me. Like, I couldn't do it. They kept on saying, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that. So I proved to everybody when I got into Mosaic and Bridges that I could do things on my own and be more mature and be who I want to be.
So let me get this right. You went from a place where people were telling you, hey, Crystal, that's not your place out on an athletic field, and now you're going to the Special Olympics in Orlando.
Yes.
What does that mean to you, to reflect back on that time and your success now?
It means a whole lot to me because I just feel like I love sports. I love being with athletes, more athletes to prove that I can do things. Like, I just feel so good about myself that I can prove to everybody I can do it.
Well, here's the cool thing. You feel good about yourself.
Yes.
The entire 4 states is proud of you as well. Leslie, when you hear a story like that from somebody like Crystal who's had so much success in her life, yet at one point in time was told, no, you can't do this. You don't belong here. What does that mean for you out at Mosaic and how you've helped change these young people's lives?
Well, it means everything to me, to our team, because that's exactly what we're working towards, is to help individuals like Crystal definitely have that best life possible. It's not just a tagline, it's truly about her living her life the way she wants to live it. And she is a terrific person. She's really overcome a lot. She's had a lot of support to get there, but she's overcome a lot. And she should be proud of herself and what she's doing, and the fact that she's participating in the National Olympics
Crystal,
in Orlando.
Take me inside that Olympic setting that you've been a part of. Coming from Southeast Kansas, you're around these other world-class athletes like yourself that are from all over the nation, all 50 states represented. How important is it to you to go out there and represent Southeast Kansas, where you're from?
It's really important because I feel like I deserve this. Like, I do a lot for sports. And for me to go to Florida, it's a really impressive thing for me because I feel like I can do it. I feel like I can push myself to do it, like exercising and everything, because I want to be able to do things on my own. Like, I want to start doing more active, like, sports. And I want to not just do track and field. I want to do a lot of sports.
You say you want to keep doing active sports. You just railed off 5 different track events that you're in. I think I pulled a hamstring walking up the stairs.
I want to do bowling because I love bowling, and I want to do swimming, and the other one was volleyball.
That's tremendous.
Because I love volleyball.
So you've got the competitive nature there that you want to show everybody, not only individually, but also geographically, just how good it is around here. But what is it also to, like, the camaraderie and the friendship once you're at an event like this?
I met some friends at camp Saturday, and it was really impressive. Me and Leslie talked about it on the way up here, and I met Casey and Joe and Patrick, who are my friends. They're my track meet friends. They go on the track with me. And we did the practice runs and the shot put. And my coach was very proud of me for doing the shot put. He said,
your training doesn't stop, does it?
It doesn't. It goes on and on. Like, it's nonstop. I gotta do it every day. There's Tuesdays and Fridays that I'm off of training.
Well, that's how you become an Olympic athlete.
That's
how you
right.
become world class.
That's
Like,
right.
You just constantly go. So, folks, if this doesn't inspire you, if Crystal doesn't inspire you, I don't know what is going to inspire you. So, how can we help you get to Orlando? I know we got a fundraiser going on. Let's talk a little bit about that. How people can get involved and make sure that you are there in Orlando competing for the 4 states.
The fundraiser we're doing, I started bracelets, and I started doing this, what's it called, diamond art. I started doing that for people, and I really enjoyed doing them too. But I raised some money for the bracelets, and Miko, my mom, has gone put up the money, and every time I make bracelets for people, I give it to them and they give me the
goodness.
money. Like, I just feel so adored by that. Like, I just feel like I can do things.
I love that it's fulfilling to you because I guarantee that those people on the receiving end, it means the world to them as well.
Yeah.
Also, too, if you'd like to help Crystal at home, if you search Special Olympics 2022 and simply type in her name, CrystalBridges, it's going to pop up right there. Online fundraiser. Crystal, number 1, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Number 2, thank you for your inspiring story. Number 3, go win some medals.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Crystal Bridges, world-class athlete on her way to Orlando to participate in the upcoming Special Olympics. And Leslie Lackham, she is the executive director of Mosaic Southeast Kansas. I want to thank you both so much for your time.
Thank you.
Continued success to you. Thank you for sharing your journey and your story.
Thank you.
We'll be back with more KOAM Morning News right after this.